Let us solve one more problem from this mechanics properties of matter. So the question is about a satellite of mass 10 kg in a circular orbit around the planet is having a speed v equal to 200 meter per second. The total energy of the satellite is in kilojoule, right? We need to find the total energy of the satellite in kilojoule. So this is the big mass m across which a small mass small m is moving around, right? So in this situation, the centripetal force is balanced by the centripetal acceleration r, right? So from this we can write gmm by r equal to m square. Or if we can write gmm by r equal to half m v square, right? So this is basically the kinetic energy, right? So the total energy E can be written as potential energy, means potential energy minus gmm by r plus this kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is half gmm by r. So it will come minus half gmm by r, right? So here the values are given. Values like v is given as 200 meter per second, m is given as 10 kg, right? So kinetic energy can be found out half m v square. So it is half mass 10 into 200 square, right? So it is having half 10 into 4. So it will be 2 into 3 into 10 to the power 5, right? So, or basically 200 or basically we can write 200 kilojoules. So energy is negative in this bounded system. So this energy is equal to this one. So from this one, so it's basically the kinetic energy, total energy which we are talking about. So it is minus 200 kilojoule. So the answer will be minus 200. Hope it is clear to everyone. So thank you.